All right, number 4. Number 4 asks us to find the midpoint. Okay, the midpoint between 2 points. So this is just like number 1, x1, y1, x2, y2. That's a y. Add my x values together, -3 plus 9 over 2. Add my y's, 2 plus 2 over 2. -3 plus 9 is 6 over 2, and then 4 over 2. So my midpoint is 3, 2. Okay, remember we're finding the average of our x values and finding the average of our y values. Okay. Let's talk about this second problem. All right. The midpoint M and an endpoint of AB are given. Find the coordinates of the other endpoint. So I know that M, I gave you this graph here. So I know that M is 2, 5, and that A is 2, 3. Well, this is a nice problem, right? If I go from A to M, that's what? Up 2 units. Okay, and since M is the midpoint of AB, that means B must be up 2 more units here to give me 2, 7 for B. Distance has to remain the same. M has to be in the middle, right? M has to be in the middle, so it has to be equidistant from A and M, or the same distance. Find the length of all these, okay? Well, in order to do that, I need to know what x is. Notice why we have these nice little tick marks here. Remember, the tick marks mean congruent. So I'm going to take 17x plus 5 and set it equal to 2x plus 80. I'm going to subtract 2x and then subtract 5. So I get 15x equals 75. Wow. Divide both sides by 15, x equals 5. Find all 3 of these. I'm going to plug it in. 17 times 5 plus 5. 2 times 5 plus 80. Now, do I need to plug it into both? No. Because they're the same, I could really just plug it into one, and it's going to be the same no matter what. I just wanted to show the fact that I was plugging them in. They each come out to be 90. Now, don't get yourself confused that this is 180. Like, it's not 180. Like, technically the line is 180 degrees, but just so happens that the line has a length of 180 units. All right, it just kind of worked out that way. If you see a problem like this on the actual test, don't just write 180 for the length of a segment. Okay, the length of the segment is not the same as the measure of the angle. All right, here we go. Probably last one before my time runs out. Remember, we see that DG bisects ODS. Bisects means congruent. I even put the tick marks here for you. Will there be tick marks on the actual assessment? Probably not. You'll have to do it yourself, but you have to recognize that bisects mean congruent parts. So that means I set these equal to each other and solve. Subtract 11. So that's what? 15 equals 5x. Divide by 5, x equals 3. And I just wanted you to find x, so we're done. That was number 7. I'm going to pause here. I'll pick it up in a minute.